Most students look at the graph like this and instantly get the domain wrong, and the reason is one tiny hidden detail. This dotted vertical line is called an asymptote. The graph gets closer and closer to it but never actually touches it. Domain simply means all possible x values where the graph exists. If the graph is present there, that x value belongs to the domain. The easiest way to read domain from a graph is by scanning from left to right. Wherever the graph exists, include those x values. But you must watch it carefully. An open circle means the graph does not exist at that point. So that x value must be removed from the domain. So in this graph, we can see there is a hole at the point 3, 0. So the value x is equal to 3 should be removed from the domain. So the domain becomes all real numbers except for 3. That's why we split the interval into two parts. Now here is the biggest trap students miss in the exam. A vertical asymptote also removes an x value from the domain. The graph gets infinitely close to the asymptote but never touches it. So the graph does not exist at that x value. If you look carefully at this graph, we have asymptote at x is equal to -1. So x is equal to -1 should be removed from the domain. Since the graph never exists at x equals -1, we remove it from the domain. So the domain is all real numbers except for -1. Here is the fastest trick. If the graph exists there, include x value. If there is a hole or asymptote, remove it. Now try this yourself. Pause the video and find the domain before I reveal the answer. Look at the given graph carefully. We have hole at x is equal to 2 and vertical asymptote at x is equal to 4. We remove 2 because of the hole and remove 4 because of the vertical asymptote. So x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4 should be removed from the domain. Now you can read domain directly from any graph. And if you found the video was really helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.